The 397th new product announcement of the Road Motor Vehicle Manufacturers and Products Announcement was recently released. Among these is the Galaxy Star 6, the new model from the Geely Galaxy brand. Given the Galaxy Star SIXS size, the new vehicle is expected to replace the Galaxy L6. Upon launch, it will likely compete with models like the Qin PLUS and Destroyer 05, with a starting price of 79,800 yuan. Judging by the official images, the new vehicle features a brand new design that differs significantly from previous Galaxy models, even resembling Mercedes-Benz models. The front features a polygonal waterfall-style grille adorned with the Geely Galaxy logo. The headlights also feature a new design, complemented by a sporty front bezel and trapezoidal black air intakes. From the side, the new car's waistline extends from the headlights to the rear, and the front door panels have a concave design, emphasizing a sporty atmosphere. Traditional door handles are also used. The new car measures 4,806 mm in length, 1,886 mm in width, and 1,490 mm in height, respectively, with a wheelbase of 2,756 mm. This makes it smaller than the Galaxy A7 but larger than the Galaxy L6. The rear of the car features an upward-swept ducktail design with continuous taillights. The Geely Galaxy and Galaxy Star 6 EMI logos on both sides of the trunk lid emphasize the vehicle's identity. The new car will also feature optional 16-inch and 17-inch wheels and support features such as a sunroof, keyless entry for the driver, headlight combinations and door sill trim, and a monocular camera. In terms of power, the new car is expected to be equipped with Geely's new Thor EMI hybrid system. This system uses a 1.5-liter engine with a maximum output of 82 kilowatts. The electric motor's power output and pure electric range have not yet been announced. However, for reference, the Galaxy S7's pure electric range is 70 kilometers and 150 kilometers, respectively, for a total range of over 2,100 kilometers.